for today. Usually she's inside taking a nap, but today she decided to be up during garden inspection. So we have some strawberries that need to be picked. Some of them are small, but that's okay because they're gonna taste better than the ones you get from the store anyway. So let's pick them. You ready? You ready?
I wish I could try to be extra smooth, extra smooth, extra cool, extra cute. Am I supposed to talk to you, be a boo?
Alright guys, here's my itty bitty strawberry harvest for today. And baby boy will enjoy eating these. Okay, all the ripe strawberries are picked, and let's check on some of these seedlings. I got some stuff here. These are some flowers that we're probably going to put in the front yard. Got a couple of things there. My carrots. I'm not going to thin those out. I'm going to let them grow as they are. This is growing back nicely after I cut it down. And I have some radishes right next to the lettuce. Strawberries growing right here. These were actually in my garden bed at one point in time. I had planted them 2 years ago, and then I decided I did not want these in the ground because the slugs get to them and it's so annoying. So I picked them and put them in this pot right here. It has so much new growth on it. They have little new leaves coming out of all of the stems, which is good. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's full and pretty. Peas right here. I have some more peas right here. It's the pear tree. I have to put the rest of my beds over here. So this is incomplete, but there's my green tomatillos. There's some Black Beauty zucchini. Here's a Casper eggplant. Black Beauty eggplant. There's some round and nice squash. My cauliflower looks good. And my broccoli looks good. And here are my green tomatillos. My garlic and onions. And we're going to mulch this area off as well, where the blueberries and the muscadines are. We're probably going to put some more berry bushes over here. This we're more than likely going to mulch this area off too, just so that it matches everything else. And the apple tree. This is starting to fill out nicely, and it even has some little teeny bitty apples on it. You probably can't see it, but I can. And we mulched this off. That's my corn. I'm probably going to put another row of corn and some okra over here. This bed over here just got completely ruined. As you can see, it needs a lot of cleaning up. This is where the okra used to be. I didn't even clean that out, so I got to pull those up. Bed here, which is across from the lemon tree, I'm probably going to put some beets, maybe some more radishes. Not sure yet. Maybe some kohlrabi. So we'll see. Okay. Now to the front yard. Look at the roses. This looks so pretty. Ooh, it's pretty, right? It's pretty. Hi. Insisted on putting some peppers in the front. We gotta clean this up too, but there are some jalapenos, some cayenne peppers, and I think some banana peppers, along with the flowers that will oh, let's get out of here. It's windy. Is it good?